Accused in the deadly Chardon High School shootings will stand trial. A judge made the decision just this afternoon. The Geauga County judge ruled 17-year-old TJ Lane is competent to stand trial.
And also, we know that a doctor evaluated Lane, determining that he does have a mental illness, but he can understand the charges against him. News Channel 5's Michael Baldwin was at today's hearing. And Michael, we understand the families of the victims were in the courtroom today.
They were in the courtroom, Danita. You had one family member wearing an emblem of Russell King Jr. on her shoulder. You had another individual wearing a black and red tie, while Danny Parmenter's uncle was in the courtroom. Although experts said it was unlikely that TJ Lane would not be found competent, many family members were still waiting to hear the words from the judge.
Based on the lack of any evidence of any current manifestation of a mental illness, intellectual disability, or developmental disability that impairs TML3's ability to understand the nature and objectives of these proceedings, these juvenile proceedings against him.
Geauga County Judge Timothy Grindell made his decision, but how do we get to this point? TJ Lane, also known as TML3 by the courts, seemed very stoic, and hair looked uncombed as defense and prosecutors made their case about his competency. Dr. Philip Resnick interviewed Lane over 6 hours and determined Lane has a mental disorder, psychosis. He said the symptoms included withdrawal, auditory hallucinations, and involuntary fantasy. Lane is accused of killing Daniel Parmenter, Demetrius Hewlin, and Russell King Jr. in the cafeteria of Chardon High School on February 27th of this year. All right, the next time TJ Lane will be in court right over here will be on May 24th at 9 o'clock. It's very possible at that point in time this case could be moved out of juvenile court to adult criminal court. Well, live in Chardon, I'm Michael Baldwin, News Channel 5.
All right, Michael, thank you.